The biggest problem is that, since Zach left the company in August, whenever you want advice or communication, you don't get it. This was a crucial call where Musk and the rest of the team needed to step up, but those in the room provided some guidance on what's happened with pricing and the pressure on margins strategically. I believe that Trainwreck would be a soft read. Get ready to be enthralled with Tesla's groundbreaking advancements, from their revolutionary advances in fully autonomous driving capabilities to their unwavering commitment to sustainability and innovation, as Tesla keeps pushing the envelope of what's feasible in the automotive sector. This analyst has projected that Tesla's stock will rise to $315, highlighting the company's potential for substantial expansion and market supremacy. But the fun doesn't stop there. Come explore the fascinating events taking place at Rivian, the rising star in the electric vehicle industry. Before anything else, settle back, relax, and get ready to be informed, inspired, and entertained. Rivian is a market leader in sustainable mobility, focusing on efficiency upgrades and environmentally conscious design. They are captivating audiences with their forward-thinking approach and are carving out a unique niche in the market. Additionally, to subscribe buttons, welcome to Tesla Insights, where limitless opportunities abound and the future is here. Analyst Dan Ives of Let's Dive In anticipates a spike in Tesla shares, with a target price of $315. Despite this optimistic view, Tesla's communication has recently had difficulties, with some comparing its conference calls to Saturday Night Live skits because the company does not have a CFO. Due in part to this ambiguity, an 80% sell-off has been ascribed to communication problems rather than underlying difficulties. Watchers, while this may appear to be a difficult time for Tesla, hang in there. In the upcoming 6 to 12 months, when Tesla introduces more reasonably priced cars and advancements in autonomous technology, the story may change. For Tesla owners who seek comfort in more dependable investments, it's an exhilarating journey. Investments such as Nvidia and Microsoft, but keep in mind that betting against Tesla has historically been a bad idea. Speaking of investments, well-known investor Cathie Wood is still very much in the game, having recently invested $1.3 million in the company with the expectation of fully autonomous beta releases and regulatory approvals in Europe. While Tesla's growth appears to have a bright future, the excitement doesn't end there. Hold on to your hats. In addition to providing insights into how innovation and economic developments are converging, Cathie Wood also suggests a possible catalyst that might power Tesla's upcoming significant surge. Wood's evaluation highlights how disruptive technologies such as autonomous driving and electric cars are transforming the transportation industry. By acknowledging these innovations' transformative impact, investors are well positioned to profit from Tesla's sustained growth trajectory in regulatory news. Not everything is going as planned. Tesla severs relations with the Australian Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries, claiming that it was misled about carbon emission claims. In the meantime, Panasonic Energy is thinking of making more investments in Kansas to fulfill Tesla's growing need for batteries. Extremist groups called for the destruction of the factory, posing a threat to Tesla's operations and local communities. Tesla quickly evacuated its workers to ensure their safety, but the financial cost of the shutdown continues to mount, reaching nearly $1 billion. There is some talk suggesting that things might not turn around as quickly as we'd hope, but the government promises a firm response to uphold the rule of law, aiming to prevent future incidents. Giga Berlin faced a setback with a recent attack that prompted safety concerns and halted production. While highlighting the factor's efficient water usage and assuring residents about environmental concerns, Rohan Patel appears to be assuming the role of Tesla's PR spokesperson. However, amid all of this activity, recent stock market developments have investors wary. The decision by Gary Black and Rose Gerber to sell their Tesla stock has caused tremors in the financial community, igniting conjecture and discussion held due to Gary Black's history of selling off shares. His most recent action has drawn special notice and raised concerns about how Tesla's stock price will continue to rise, putting more fuel on the flames. While some analysts continue to be upbeat about Tesla's growth prospects, Gary Black's more cautious assessment of the company's 2024 delivery predictions differs with the more bullish comments voiced on Wall Street. Given the ramifications of these divergent viewpoints, investors may adopt a more measured approach to projecting future performance, given Black's cautious posture. Despite the market's volatility and uncertainties, the company's future remains unknown. One thing is certain: Tesla's unwavering quest of innovation and growth shows no indications of abating in the near future. Gary says that surpassing the wall will determine Tesla's stock performance. Street's anticipated deliveries despite alterations. Demand for Tesla's Model 3 is being driven by local incentives in China, suggesting that a reversal may be possible. Sentiment, but there may be erratic opportunities for astute investors in Tesla's stock. Despite the unpredictability, it is evident that many field professionals are there. Dan, Kathy, and Gary anticipate a bright future for Tesla, but who else is as optimistic about the company as they are? For Tesla bulls and those with a keen eye for finding the next stock market. It goes beyond simply watching from the sidelines when it comes to the company's remarkable rise. According to our friends at Seeking Alpha, your one-stop destination for the most recent information on Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Targets for Tesla stock price innovation from Tesla and all things Elon Musk. The ideal strategy is to seek alpha. Online sources of Tesla news avoid the negative publicity around the. Get to the point quickly by clicking the link in the description to receive a special discount. I am Stream Media. In other news, Tesla anticipates that power outages at its German facility will last until March 17th, impacting production plans. Rumors on the expected Model 3 performance update are circulating, suggesting a May debut with enhanced motor performance. Although Jay Leno hinted about a possible triple-engine configuration, it appears that dual motors will be used instead. In the meantime, as demand for Tesla vehicles continues to soar in one of the world's largest automotive markets, Tesla is actively stepping up hiring efforts in China to bolster its delivery team. The company is strategically positioned to meet the growing needs of its customers with a keen focus on expanding its workforce. Tesla is well positioned to improve customer satisfaction and expedite delivery processes. Elon worries that governments would try to manage artificial intelligence (AI), which might be dangerous given the potential for AGI power to get concentrated in the hands of a small number of people. Ursad adds a comment to emphasize the distinction between AGI and nuclear weapons. While highlighting the clandestine nature of AI misuse, the discussion also focuses on democratizing access to AI in order to avoid corporate monopolies. Drawing comparisons with the possession of firearms despite the concerns, the discussion emphasizes how important it is that everyone have access to technology, changing a gear and additional specialist offers. Perspectives on Tesla's stock performance and their investment approach. Though he sees potential in Tesla's AI venture, looking back at the company's evolution since 2019, he acknowledges changes in the company's focus, particularly towards AI and autonomous driving. Given the challenges in reconciling Tesla's growth projections with its current trajectory, particularly in the auto sector, he acknowledges the importance of maintaining a healthy core business. Despite setbacks, he remains cautiously optimistic, considering worst-case scenarios in his investing choices. Despite early technical difficulties with the Model S and Model X Roadster, Tesla managed to create the enormously popular Model 3 and Model Y. But here's the scoop: present difficulties won't stop Tesla from developing fully autonomous technology. As the business innovates and overcomes barriers, it reaffirms its commitment to influencing transportation trends with every development. Tesla reaffirms its leadership in the automotive sector as it works to create a future characterized by sustainability and innovation. How will the future of mobility be shaped by Tesla's persistent emphasis on FSD? What effect will the efficiency improvements made by Rivian have on the market for electric vehicles, and how will Audi's foray into the electric SUV market affect the larger the automotive environment? Comment below with your thoughts to keep informed, involved, and ahead of the curve with Tesla Insights. Don't forget to like. We appreciate you watching, and until next time, please subscribe to our channel for the most recent information and insights into the world of Tesla and beyond.